All right, guys, take a look at this bizarre trading chart from the overnight session. Okay, it's currently 1 o'clock in the morning right now. Actually, it's 1:07 to be specific in the morning. Okay, look at this crazy overnight rip on the vol, right? Vol turned green, okay, in the overnight session a couple hours ago, and this thing just surged for 500 ticks. Okay, for no reason whatsoever, right? And that's why I keep telling you guys that volume doesn't lie, okay? Volume doesn't need any type of catalyst. These volume indicators are laser focused on one metric and only one metric, right? And that is, where's the pressure, okay? When it turns red, the pressure is hitting the bid, meaning sellers want to get out at any possible price and they're willing to get filled at any possible bid. And on the flip side, whenever it turns green, as it did just so strangely and so bizarrely and honestly randomly, okay, when it turns green here without any rhyme or reason, all it tells you is that the volume pressure has shifted from the bid to the ask, and the buyers now want to get into the market, and they are perfectly fine getting filled at any possible price, aka whatever the ask is from the bid and the ask. You understand? So yeah, man, I just wanted to post this overnight video for all you day trading addicts out there like me. I cannot stop looking at charts. This was what I was born to do, is look at charts every minute of every day. Okay? And for me, this is more validation that this volume indicator color band is my winning ticket. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.